Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about FTT price prediction. So this cryptocurrency is requested by my subscriber. So here you are, FTT per USDT. So all of them powered by Binance, and now we're gonna use first a daily chart using a Bollinger Band here. There is an upper band. Basically it's already above this cryptocurrency, above the upper band, right? But it hit this point, right? 83.5, and now already having a little bit correction, go down to the yellow one, right? I think if you want to take in profit, then you have to take in profit right now, because I think it has to be a little bit correction. Go to below the yellow one here, upper band on the 72.62, then it will go down again to the pink ones here, middle band on the 54.59 US dollar here, right? The RSI stochastic also is already in the overbought zone, right? Overbought zone here, still a good opportunity for you, but I think if you want to entry without the risk is little or a little bit risky here in the pink one here, middle band 54.59, right? Next move is the moving average, so still far away to the moving average 7 on 66.01. I think if they go the point, they break up first to the pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 53.59 US dollar. Next move is we're gonna see on the 4-hour chart. Basically it's already 8-hour having correction, go down again to the moving average 7 on the 76.47 US dollar here, go down, and I think if you want entry on the pink side here, moving average 25 on the 66.93, basically the range price of that point. For the RSI stochastic, already little bit overbought zone, so if you want to entry, then you entry on the oversold zone or in the natural position, right? For the Bollinger Band here, already below the upper band on the 81.66, and current price right now at 75.22 US dollar. Try to go down to the pink one side here, middle band on the 67.6 US dollar. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.